Hello and welcome to the Veganist Pro Show. I'm your host Thomas Fortner, and today we're going to be making cookie dough Chocjack, taken from the flapjack. The ingredients are here, they're looking lovely. Here's our wet ingredients, here's our dry ingredients. So here we have maple syrup, coconut oil, vanilla essence, sesame seed butter, and peanut butter. Like we said in the previous episode, to make any seed or nut butter, we put it in the food processor and we blitz it up. It turns into dust. Then all the fat molecules will burst and it'll turn into a butter and it'll emulsify. Here we have flour, rolled oats and golden sultanas. So we're gonna mix all the wet ingredients together first in this bowl. It's a good idea to make your own butters, even peanut butter. You can buy some good organic peanuts and put them through the food processor, and you'll have some wonderful organic peanut butter at a fraction, not a fraction, but much less expensive. Okay, so we'll bind all these together and then we'll add the dry ingredients. Actually behind us also we have some dark chocolate, and in there is also a little bit of coconut oil, which gives the chocolate a nice glaze. Classic trick. It's not super duper healthy, it's not primarily healthy, but it is healthy, it is good for you, it's not bad for you, and it's also very tasty. Okay, now we're going to add the flour. Of course, in every episode, everything we do beneath will be complete ingredients list, methods, and nutritional information and content of the dish. Complete nutritional information and content, down to all the metals and everything in there. Okay, we're going to mix this together and then we're going to let it set in the fridge for about 45 minutes, 1 hour, and then we'll pour over the chocolate and coconut oil mixture. Then we'll let it set again. Okay, lovely. Looking exactly like cookie dough. Cookie dough, how wonderful cookie dough is, but it's so unhealthy. You can eat this guilt-free and it's going to do you good. Okay, so we'll put that in the fridge now for about 45 minutes, 1 hour. We'll check it after 45 minutes, 1 hour. Perhaps it will need up to an hour and a half because it is a little bit thick. We'll see from there. Okay, catch you soon. Okay, great. So just got this out of the fridge. It was in there for about 50 minutes. And it's a lovely texture now. Very cookie doughy. The cookie dough Chocjack from a flapjack. And here we have the melted chocolate, dark chocolate, vegan dark chocolate with coconut oil in there to give it a nice glaze. So I'm going to pour it over and then back in the fridge just for 10 minutes. Set that chocolate up and then we'll take it out and cut it. Now I've put this in a silicone mold here, but of course you can just do it in a lined tray. I like these though, makes life simpler. Okay, so we'll sit back in the fridge and then we'll go from there. Perfect. Enjoy. Any questions, comments, comment below. Please subscribe and help me help the world's animals and stop the atrocity. I mean that, I'm not joking, I do mean that. Love you all, see you next time, thank you.